In this video, we will learn about the use of either or neither, and we will also learn how they work together, either and neither. The words either or neither are used when making comparisons. Two people have the same negative experience. Number one, I am not here. And the other person says, you are not here. So actually, these two people, they have the same negative experience. That is, I am not here. You are not here. So, I am not here, if we combine these together by using either and neither, then we will see that I'm not here and you aren't either. So you can see over here the structure or the sentence structure. Once the same experience is joined together, or that is made one experience by the two people with the help of either. Same goes for I'm not here and neither are you, but you can see the position or the location of neither and either in both these sentences. So initially it was I am not here, you are not here. Same negative experience by two people. But once the same experience is expressed in one single sentence, I'm not here and you aren't either. So we have put either at the end. I'm not here and neither are you. So over here you can see the location or the position of neither in this sentence. So both the sentences means the same. If I say I'm not here and you aren't either, I'm not here and neither are you, so both the sentences sense the same. Now look at this sentence. I am not tired and you aren't either. I am not tired and you aren't either. After that negative, this negative part, after this negative word, that is aren't, we can use either at the end of a sentence. So either comes over here towards the end or at the end of the sentence. And the structure is like this: subject plus verb. This one is actually subject plus verb are, this one, followed by not, this one, and at the end of the sentence we have to put either. So this is the structural look of the sentence in which either is to be used. So the sentence was I am not tired, and actually it is the combination of two sentences. I am not tired, you are not tired. So I am not tired and you aren't either. So once we use either, then subject is to be followed by a verb, and that is to be followed by not, and at the end of that particular sentence we have to put either. Now look at this sentence now. In this case, I'm tired, same sentence, I am tired and neither are you. So over here we can see that neither has been put over there. This is the structural pattern. Then comes verb, and towards the end comes subject, because it shows negation now over here. I am tired and neither are you. I am tired and neither are you. Use neither, which is the negative, in front of the verb. In front of the verb, this is verb. Use this neither in front of the verb and then end with the subject you over here. So we have to end with this subject over here. Now look at these sentences. This is a pair of sentences. He doesn't like spinach. She doesn't like spinach. He doesn't like spinach. This is one person, he, over here. This is one person, and she is another person. She doesn't like spinach. So once we combine them together, she doesn't like spinach, this one, and he doesn't either. So over here we can see that subject followed by helping verb or verb followed by not, and then towards the end, at the end of the sentence comes either, just like the previous sentence. Or you can put neither after and, like this. She doesn't like spinach and she doesn't like spinach, and as mentioned earlier, neither comes first followed by verb, and that is followed by the subject he over here. She doesn't like spinach and neither does he. Remember that this is a negative over here, this one. She doesn't like spinach and neither does he. So this neither is negative over here. This is negative part. So we can't make this negative also, this one. We can't put it doesn't. She doesn't like spinach and neither does he. This is the negative part, neither. So we can't put negative over here. We can't make this does into doesn't. If you have a negative and this is a negative number one, and we have to put another negative over here, that's a double negative, and we can't have a double negative in English. Now look at this example. We didn't get enough sleep. They didn't get enough sleep. So we can combine these and say we didn't get enough sleep and they didn't either, just like subject followed by verb and not, and at the end comes the either. We didn't get enough sleep and neither did they. Neither comes first, after and neither comes first, then verb did, and then the subject they. So the subject goes at the end over here, at the end of a sentence. If you use neither and then the helping verb, as you can see over here, if we use neither, then comes the verb and towards the end comes a subject. Using either or neither or both, using either and neither in conversation, in spoken language. We can use either and neither in conversation. We can use either or neither in conversations like these. For example, the first person says, person A, or the first person says, I don't like it. I don't like it. And the person who hears that agrees and also does not like whatever this is and says, neither do I, or I don't either. So this indicates that two people agree. This indicates that these two people, person A and person B, agree. I don't like it, neither do I. Both the persons agree. And this indicates that two people again agree. I don't like it. Person A says, I don't like it. And person B says, I don't either. So in both the cases, person A and person B agree. So if I say this is the present tense, and so we need a present tense helping verb here with this one. We can see that this is present tense. Neither do I don't like it, present tense. And so we need a present tense helping verb over here. Neither do I, or I don't either, again present tense. But over here there is a negative comparison. So comparing two people, a man and a woman. For example, this is a woman and she won't be here. Won't is actually the contraction of will not. She won't be here and neither will he. Over here this is another person. So comparing two people, a man and a woman who won't be here. She won't be here, neither will he. This is a different person. You can see this is she, and over here this is he. Remember that won't is, as I mentioned, won't is actually a contraction. It is the contracted form of will not. If person A says she won't be here and person B says he won't either, and once we combine both of them, this is person A, that is a woman, and this is person B, that is a man. Once we combine them together, neither person, she or he, both of them, she and he, neither of them, neither person will be here, means actually the sentence was she won't be here, neither will he. So this is a male, this is a female, and she won't be here, he won't either. This is actually negative and this is a positive one. So again the sense remains same. She won't be here, neither will he, mean both the people will not be here. She won't be here, he won't either, again both the persons will not be here. But once we combine them, as we know that won't is actually a contracted form of will not, then we have to write like this: neither person will be here, mean both the person A and B, she and he, they will be here, mean both of them they will not be here. That's why we have to put neither in the beginning. Neither person will be here. Hope this will help you understand the concept of using either and neither in conversation as well as in writing. Thank you.